In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a thread in Slack. Using threads is one of the easiest ways to keep conversations organized in Slack. Instead of posting every follow-up as a brand new message in the main channel, a thread keeps all related replies attached to the original message. That makes it much easier for everyone to follow the main discussion while still allowing more detailed side conversations to happen in the right place. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and select the channel or direct message where the conversation is happening. From there, scroll through the message history until you find the specific message you want to respond to. This original message is what the thread will be connected to, so it's important to make sure you've selected the right one before continuing. Next, move your cursor over that message. When you hover over it, a small shortcuts menu will appear in the top right area of the message box. In that menu, click the reply and thread icon, which looks like a speech bubble. As soon as you do that, Slack will open a thread panel on the right side of the window. This side panel is where the threaded conversation will take place. Now click into the text box at the bottom of that thread panel and type your reply. You can write a normal message, format your text, mention teammates with an @ mention, or even attach files if needed. If your reply contains something especially important that the entire channel should see right away, you can choose the option to also send it to the main channel. In most cases, though, it's better to leave that unchecked so the conversation stays clean and uncluttered. When your message is ready, press enter or click the send icon to post your threaded reply. Your response will now appear directly under the original message inside the thread, making the discussion easier to track for everyone involved. If you want to keep up with ongoing threaded conversations, click threads near the top of the left sidebar, or check your activity area depending on your Slack layout. Any unread replies will usually appear highlighted, so you can quickly jump back into the conversations that need your attention. That's all there is to it. Once you start using threads consistently, Slack becomes much easier to navigate and team communication feels a lot more organized. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the